Are you belonging to 27% or 73%? Maybe you are wondering what it is, 27 and 73%. Yes, only 27% of people in India are financially literate. Are you financially literate? If not, you have to learn these things and you have to understand how you can become financially literate and how you can take wise decisions about your money. Hi, this is Dr. Maria. I'm a financial wellness specialist. Today I'm bringing a very interesting facts about maybe you are not knowing about this, and it will help you to become financially literate soon. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel and share it to maximum number of people so that we have more than 75% literacy in India, but we have only 27% of financial literacy in India. If you want you and your loved ones are to be in that 27% and the percentage has to increase day by day, then please be aware of these facts and please become financially literate very soon. Lovely. Now, today I want to share some of the important aspects. Do you know what is budget? Do you know what is asset and what is liability? Do you know you have earned so much of money, you are working from so many years? Do you know what is your net worth at present? Do you know which credit card you are using and what is the terms and conditions if you are not able to pay off that credit? Do you know exactly what is your financial goals and what is the amount you require to fulfill that goals? And how many years you have to achieve those goals? How much money you require to achieve those goals? And where you have to invest so that you can have sufficient corpus in a particular year so that you can fulfill those financial goals. Do you know exactly how much corpus you require to have a financial freedom in your life? Do you know what is the corpus you require to retire at any moment so that you can live next 30 to 40 years without any financial worries? Do you know what is debt? What is good debt and what is bad debt? How you can make money by using a debt? Do you know what is the different options, investment options you are having? There may be more than 15 investment options which is available. Do you know at least 4 or 5 thoroughly? Do you know what is will? Do you know what is the insurance you must have? Do you know what are the insurances you should not mix with the investment? If you know all these things, then I can say that you are already a financial literate, and congratulations for that. If you don't have this, don't worry. You can learn this. This is a learnable skill. And once you start learning about this, you can earn multiple crores. Your learning is always should be more than your earning. When you start learning, your earning follows. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to upgrade by having a professional development and personal development. For that, you should know each and every concepts of money. Money deals with the emotions. Many times, people are losing out their money because of the emotions, because of the silly mistakes what they are doing in their life. If you don't want to be that, so please make sure that you will become financially literate soon. If you want to get more access, you want to be a financial literate soon and you want to avoid all these mistakes, then please click the link given in the description and become a part of our Finance Chapel, where you can go through bootcamp and you can learn all these things in these 2 days. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe now and share it to maximum number of people so that along with you, they are also can become an elite group of financially literate people. Now, if I want to share some of the important scary stats, 82,000 crores of amount or money which is lying in unclaimed account. It may be in insurance account, it may be mutual fund, it may be PF account, it may be income tax department, and lot of properties are lying as it is. Nobody know who is their nomination or that property belongs to whom. The second important thing, 40 crore people are in debt today. And 40 crore people doesn't have access to the health insurance. 30 crore people are going through scams each and every year. 59% of urban Indians always says that whatever the money I have saved for my retirement, it will not come even for next 10 years of my retirement. These numbers are very scary. But if you are not following, if you are not becoming financially literate, maybe you fall into one among them and you may be losing out your hard-earned money. So don't do that mistake. It is a costly mistake that will cost you more. That can take away your entire hard-earned money, your properties, your assets, whatever you have created at present. If you don't know about these things, please aware about the scams. Please keep away from these scams and make sure that you will become financially literate and you will be financially independent. You will have a financial freedom and enjoy your life. Live abundant, peaceful, worry-free life. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.